One of my favorite places to end the day is Bedford Street Antiques. I've been to this is my fourth stop of the day. I've spent $114. I've done the unthinkable. I've passed up on 2 Hold Howard pieces and a pie piece. However, in fairness, the one Hold Howard and the pie were both repaired or damaged. So I'm feeling pretty lucky this evening. I kind of feel like it's been a while since I've been to Bedford Street, and I usually find some pretty good goodies here. I'm excited to go in. If not, it's okay. I'm going back out tomorrow, so there will be more. But in the meantime, let's see what they got. All right, here we go. Now, I'm kind of hit or miss when it comes to these blow mold pieces. This one's only $5. It's got a little bit of damage, but it is so stinking cute. Yeah, he's missing pieces, actually. Now that I'm thinking about it, he's supposed to have reindeer, and he has no nose, so we're gonna leave him. Also, can't help but notice a Murano snowman. 85, just kidding. Oh my gosh, please do not fall. Walk away slowly, Kate. This is a super fun set. I love the retro flower with the holder. It's in like perfect, brand new, old stock condition. Actually, it's not, it's got some damage. $70. Not for me, but definitely worth appreciating. So Jocelyn already sent me a picture of this, my buddy Jocelyn, but what she didn't send me a picture of were these freaking reindeer. What? There's gotta be a reason they're still here, because $40 each. I don't know, they may have gotten me on this. They're pretty incredible. I kind of just want one for myself. It's definitely retail, but good grief, they're hard to ignore. I've never seen anything close to this size. I might do a little research on that. I also can't help but notice this little mistletoe snowman. $15 is retail on that as well. And the little elf bell. He's seen better days, and he's also missing his bell, which is kind of the point. These are really funny. I don't usually see these kinds. $12 each. It's about what I'd get for that after fees. And this funny one, this guy's only $8. It looks like he's been repainted though. I'm gonna guess and say he's been repainted. Maybe not. The pink doesn't look original. It's not convincing me. I love all their little holiday decor trinkets in here. They're so cute. And these little guys. Man, I'm having a really hard time walking away from these. I just don't think I could make money off of them at $40 each. I mean, I might be able to eke out a couple bucks, but it's a real gamble. I'm really on the fence. I have never seen anything remotely like this. Wait a minute. Oh, little funny pouting bear, or baby, I guess. It's kind of rough. It's only $2 though. Might be a little too rough for me. It's really hard to pay attention after seeing those vinyl plush deer. I like this little cowgirl doll hiding in here. Oh, and she's even got her little red boots. 23. Can't do anything with that, unfortunately. Oh, this little Santa ornament looks like he's got a monkey in his backpack. Oh, look at this funny guy. Santa. Now, these seashell creatures really don't sell that well for me, but couldn't help but notice the poodle. And I'm kind of into this owl. It's a bank. Huh. It's kind of different. Now, there's a couple things going on in here. One, this little box of dolls. It's all for $10. Definitely some room in that. But I'm also in love with the little pink and gold rhinestone-eyed poodle pin. Not really sure if I'm willing to pay up $8 for that, considering I'd probably only sell it for like $12. Oh, I love these little stuffed poodles. I've had this one a couple times, not this exact color. This one looks like it's, I'm not sure, is that supposed to, yeah, I guess that's supposed to be like that. 22 is definitely too much for me to do anything with. I love these little ornaments. Oh my gosh. That is adorable. This is definitely my favorite of the boxes. But also this like possessed dog. How fantastic is he? Unfortunately, at $24, there's no room for me to do anything with. They've got another one up here. He's kind of funny. He's got seen better days, 22. He's missing an eye, but it kind of adds to his character. I have to know what this is. Oh, it's a music box. I can feel it already. I just picked up one of these the other day. 19 doesn't leave enough room for me, although I love that he's even though he's missing his little knob, original knob to pull, he's got a little miniature rubber face Santa. That is adorable. So I'm also seeing this little Christmas apron. It's in really, I mean, it's got a little fraying right here, but it's in pretty good condition. There's no stains or anything. It might not have the kitschiest pattern of the ones I've found this year, but for $6, I'm gonna go ahead and scoop this up. I am gonna go ahead and take a break from the downstairs and hit my favorite location, which is upstairs. This is kind of a fun set. 19 Limoges. It's really different. Made in China though. We can't unsee that. Oh my gosh, I love the gold one. 22. I guess they love it too. The other ones are 12. And here's another one of those pose angels. Unfortunately, 19 is too much for me to get excited about. Hello, flamingo. Oh, look at this Santa. He's kind of fun. $19. He's got a little too much damage for me to get behind that. Here's another little rubber-faced doll. Is this a pajama bag one? Can't tell. Oh no, it's a little muff. Oh my gosh. 25 is about retail on that. If I was lucky. I feel like those ones don't sell as well. Well, I've come across more Christmas linens. I'm not seeing anything so far that really jumps out at me. What is happening here? It's just bells. I still can't stop thinking about that Christmas cat apron I saw the other day. What's happening down here? I think this is Mattel. $30 as is. Yeah. Not enthused. Oh my gosh, look at the little bone china. That is so cute. For $6. I kind of can't resist that. I know for a fact it's not supposed to be originally on that mount, but it kind of makes it easier to keep track of. So for $6, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab it. So again, kind of a quick lackluster trip. I ended up spending $12 in there, which is kind of laughable, which brings my total up to $126 for the day. I've actually decided that I'm not going to stop. I'm going to try one more place that I kind of swore off not that long ago, but we're going to give them a second chance. So, full disclosure, this place is great. The only reason I stopped coming here, I should clarify, just in case people had some questions, is because they have some kind of flea market situation downstairs, and they were selling these cleaning products, and the smell actually bothered me so much I couldn't handle it. But hopefully that is no longer a thing, and I am back and ready to give this place another shot. These owls are kind of fun. $3 for the set, too. That's pretty cheap. Japan. For $3, I mean, why not? I guess I'll grab these. Oh, happy oranges. I've had this set before, but $2. Again, can't complain. Could throw those in the bag too. Oh my gosh, I don't even know if I can fit down this aisle. Good grief, there's a lot going on in here. What is up with the Santa glasses? These are usually pricey. Yeah, 20 bucks each. That's about what I'd sell those for too. There's one of the hearts. I love the little hearts. 20 bucks. All right, I'm looking at the L's. Wait a minute. I know I'm not a Lennox person, but these are kind of neat. Those ones have newer parts, but this one and this whole thing actually are older. $20. What about this one? This one is really unique. That is cool. $20 though. Can't do anything with that. How much are the little ones? 10. That's about what I get for them after fees for that size. Oh, and a little rubber Joseph's original. 10 bucks. He's got the bug on him. I could probably make a couple bucks off these. I usually sell these for 14 to 15. It's not like really exciting me though, although I do love the ladybug. I've had him a few times recently. Holy crap, look at this. Mr. Toodles. Unfortunately, somebody has done their homework and can't really do anything at that price point. Making sure left in sugar creamer $100. What's going on with that one back there? Sugar bowl repaired 14. How repaired? Is that cheap of me to ask? Ugh, I hate that it's in a case. It's like not worth dealing with. I'm gonna guess it's pretty repaired for that price considering the others are full-blown retail. Yeah, I did kind of do a little peek over and it does have a big crack in it, unfortunately. Oh, it's so stinking cute. I've never even seen the butter dish. All right, I'm gonna test my luck again. What's going on in this box? Oh my gosh, that's so stinking cute. But of course, there's no price tag. That's very obnoxious. I'm gonna see if I can find a tag somewhere in here. What's this thing? Just random stuff. That stinks. Yeah, so they have the flea market section down here. It's a lot of new stuff and a lot of the older stuff that either doesn't sell or has some type of damage, but I mean, it's priced accordingly. I've only really ever found something down here once. What's going on here? Is like what? I don't understand the process. Everything in boxes 25 cents. Okay. So why is the hobnail butter dish? Oh, it's because it doesn't even. Yeah, the white milk glass doesn't sell that well, but I mean, still, it's only 25 cents. Ew. However, what's wrong with her? She's only 25 cents. Well, for a quarter, I'm not gonna really complain too much. I guess I'll go ahead and pick her up. This looks like Rempel. It is. It's a quarter. It's very contorted, as a lot of Rempels usually are. But for 25 cents, I don't know, man. I feel weird leaving a Rempel for 25 cents, no matter how damaged it is. Maybe we can call him Vintage Contorted Duck. Here's more milk glass. Oh, gosh, I'm so nervous I'm gonna break a bunch of stuff. I don't have much luck with that. I'm now kind of taking a better look in some of these boxes. I'm afraid I might have been too quick to judge. I just rescued this guy. I normally would pass on something like this, but for 25 cents, oh, just kidding, he's broken. That's why he's there. That makes more sense. All right, for 25 cents, since it's hearts, I'm gonna go ahead and grab that too. I don't know why I'm like, I can't let this little Rempel duck go. I feel like I'll probably sell him for like $5 or $6 maybe. But people love Rumpel. They're really collectible. And I've never seen a duck before. I'm kind of rummaging through the plush now. Winnie the Pooh. But alas, a lot of newer stuff. All right, well, I'm back upstairs and I'm seeing the Lefton elf, but unfortunately he is repaired straight down the middle. Wow, Buster Brown shoehorns. Very cool. Huh, 35. Can't really do anything with that though. Well, I'll have to remember that whatever the smell is gone, so it's safe to return. I spent $7 in there. I did end up getting the little fish, which was awesome. It didn't squeak anymore, but still, $7 for all that, and I'm kind of crapped out, honestly. I spent $133 today, which is nothing, and I am ready to go home, call it a night, and I will see you guys tomorrow morning when I get back on the road.